Are you wondering if a plant-based diet is right for you? Do you want to know some of the top health benefits of going plant-based? In this video, we're going to look at 12 of the top health benefits of going on a plant-based diet. Many people have differing opinions when it comes to the term plant-based. In this video, when we refer to a plant-based diet, we are talking about a 100% healthy plant-based diet. This means consuming predominantly whole plant foods, which includes vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, while limiting processed foods and not consuming any animal-derived products. Now let's look at 12 of the top health benefits of a healthy plant-based diet. Number 1. Aids in weight loss and weight maintenance. A plant-based diet can help with weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. This is because of the consumption of nutrient-dense foods that are generally low in calories, and because of increased fiber intake, you're more likely to feel satiated after eating. Number 2. Supports and enhances immune function. Plant foods rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients have the ability to support and enhance immune function. If you want a healthy immune system, it's important to supply your cells with the nutrients they need to function optimally. Number 3. Fights inflammation. Inflammation is part of the body's immune response. However, too much can lead to pain, fatigue, digestive issues, and can contribute to the development of many chronic diseases. Thankfully, eating a variety of whole plant foods can help combat inflammation in the body. Number 4. Reduces risk of chronic diseases. A whole food, plant-based diet can lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. In turn, this reduces the need for pharmaceutical medications and surgeries, and going plant-based can actually reverse some diseases. Number 5. Improves sexual function and fertility. Plant foods can increase libido and enhance sexual function. Additionally, a review published in 2018 that looked at the influence of diet on fertility concluded that there is a positive association between a diet high in plant-based foods and fertility. Number 6. Promotes gut health and optimal digestion. Eating a varied, plant-based diet rich in fiber can improve digestion and the health of the gut microbiome, which is a large part of the immune system. Along with many other functions, good gut bacteria play a role in the metabolism and synthesis of certain nutrients. Number 7. Lowers blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. High blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels are associated with an increased risk of many diseases. Many studies have shown that eating a whole food, plant-based diet can effectively lower blood pressure and cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 8. Improves mood and cognition. Do you want to naturally enhance mood and cognitive function? A varied whole food, plant-based diet can positively affect your mood and emotions, protect and improve brain function, and prevent cognitive decline. Number 9. Enhances skin, hair, and nail health. Not all of the benefits of a plant-based diet are internal. Eating an array of nutrient-dense whole plant foods can keep skin, hair, and nails healthy, and can help slow signs of aging. It's also important to stay hydrated. Number 10. Boosts athletic performance and recovery. Whether you have recently adopted an exercise regimen or are a seasoned athlete, a plant-based diet can be beneficial. Higher levels of antioxidants, increased blood flow, improved glycogen storage, and reduced inflammation in the body can significantly enhance athletic performance and reduce recovery time. Number 11. Increases energy levels. Have you ever wished you could have more energy? Eating a diet heavy in processed foods can leave you feeling sluggish and void of energy. However, eating a whole food, plant-based diet increases energy as it nourishes the body with the nutrients it needs to fuel your activities. Number 12 promotes a better quality of life and longevity. Based on the previous 11 benefits of eating a healthy plant-based diet, you can see how it can lead to a better quality of life. Furthermore, a healthy plant-based diet alongside healthy lifestyle choices can contribute to longevity. In addition to these health benefits, going on a plant-based diet is good for our animal friends and to the environment. If you eat 100% plant-based, you are supporting the welfare of animals, lowering your carbon footprint and water usage, and helping prevent destruction of the rainforests for animal agriculture. If you are transitioning to a whole food, plant-based diet, go at your own pace. Just remember that slow and steady wins the race, and keep in mind that going plant-based is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. If you want healthy whole food recipes or need help on your health journey, join our private Facebook group for support and encouragement. You can find the link in the video description. To recap, here are 12 health benefits of going on a plant-based diet. Take a screenshot and keep it as a reference, or print it out and use it as a guide. If you want to keep track of the foods you are eating, you can use our free diet and lifestyle tracker, a 5-day journal to track your diet and health. We've linked to this and further resources in the description below. Did you enjoy this video? If so, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. In our next wellness video, we'll be looking at how to transition to a plant-based diet successfully. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more natural health and wellness videos every Wednesday.